Along with sewing straight and using your reverse button to back up or lock, or the reverse in continuous reverse motion in the information area, there is a stitch that is wonderful for this exact technique. Stitch number 5 is designed to go ahead and when you start to sew, it will go ahead and start to sew. And so about 6 stitches forward and then 6 back. After that point, you're going to notice there's a little flashing reverse button. That's indicating this button needs to be touched when you reach the end of the seam. So let's say I'm coming up to that. By touching that reverse button one time, watch what it does. It's going to go back and then forward and then come to a complete stop. That means the stitch is actually done. Let's take a look at what it looks like. So at the beginning, there was a perfect straight stitch and back stitch all in the exact same hole. Then it took off. As soon as I got to this point and touched the reverse button, it then finished the stitch with those locking stitches back, and then it finished forward and stopped in the exact stitch I touched the button. So now the stitch is ready to sew again. So once again, lower your presser foot down, do nothing. It will automatically do that kind of forward, back, and forward. You can touch the reverse button while you're sewing. It locks it in. Keep your foot on the foot control until it comes to a complete stop, and that seam is complete and very, very secure.